Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be sharing a quick update. Something I recently did. I swapped my teeny tiny i3 9100 processor with the i5 9500 processor. And I have few things to say about it. Let's see. So I have been using 9100 processor for a while. It was a decent chip with everyday stuff, light browsing, light gaming, and basic editing. But let's be real, it started to feel a little bit sluggish, especially while multitasking, or I ever tried to do anything more demanding. It felt slow. Then I swapped my PC with this i5 9500 processor. It has 6 cores. The i3 had 4 cores. It also has hyper-threading, which you can see here in the dotted lines. So it has 6 cores and hyper-threading processor, which is a significantly faster and much smoother. It has higher clock speeds, and now I can show you. I have opened so many tabs in the Chrome, so you can see that the memory and the processor usage, it is under control. So guys, while gaming Counter-Strike, you can see I have an RX 550 GPU, which is obviously 100% on this high settings, but CPU, it is very normal. It is just being used under 30-40%. It was while I was on i3, it was like 80%, 75%, or 80-85%. Now it goes to 70-80%, but mostly it remains on 30-40%. Now coming to the cooling, to cool down I need this fan. Yeah, no guys, I was just kidding. While Counter Strike is at the background, the temperatures are okay. With the GPU, you can see 76 degrees, and it draws almost the same amount of power, and the heat is almost the same. It might be a little bit more, but to me the heat is okay. It is same. It is not being overheated. Even my system is so small, but it's working fine. The question arises that whether you should upgrade from i3 to i5. I would say yes, because it is a good jump. You will be at a greater edge. You will have extra 2 more cores. You will have more good clock speeds, and it will be, the boot timings will be better, and it will be more snappier experience. Thank you very much.